how to start conversation with a girl on Happn. Hello everyone, welcome back to App Tutorial. In this video, we will discuss how you can start a conversation with a girl on Happn. So let's start. First of all, open the app and log into your account. After you log into your Happn account, you will come to the explore page like this. Now in order to start a conversation with someone, first you will have to have made a crush with them. Making a crush is basically making a match. So unless you two match on the app, there is no other way to talk with any person. After you have matched, you can simply go to the chat section from the bottom right hand side. Then you will see the profiles of the people that you have matched with. Now in order to start a conversation with anyone, you can simply tap on the profile and then open the chat box. After that, you can send the messages. Talking about how to start a conversation with a girl, the best method to start a conversation is to send a text in a genuine and good sense. You don't have to write anything that is too cheesy or that shows you are full of ego or attitude. You can simply start with a hi, or you can try some cute but not too cheesy or cringe pickup lines. The best thing to do when starting a conversation is to keep it genuine and light. You can try to make the conversation funny since that will get both of you in the good mood. After that, all the tasks relating to giving good responses depends on the other person. That actually shows if the other person is interested in you or not. If the other person is interested, they will respond in a good manner and then you can start having a good conversation. Otherwise, if the other person is not interested, you can simply move on and try connecting with another person. Well, of course, I am not a conversation or dating expert, but these are the things that you have to keep in mind in order to start a good conversation and lay a good foundation. Well, I hope you found the video helpful. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.